Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Spotify not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify not opening, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Spotify and you click here, Spotify. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.